Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. I posted a video this summer after the changes that Southwest made back in May. I have been a loyal fan of Southwest Airlines for years. I used to tell everyone, fly Southwest, they have great customer service, the vibes are fun, but after my latest trip, my wallet and my loyalty took a hit. We made the bold leap into early retirement, and our channel is all about inspiring you to embrace your golden years while uncovering smart, affordable ways to see the world. All right, so let's play catch up. Southwest has been making these incremental changes, and they're still making them. Even their staff can't keep up with it. The latest, the fare structures and the benefits got a makeover, and it's not the good kind. Now, if you want to change or cancel a flight, get ready to cough up extra fees. So, frequent flyers are not amused. Turns out that flexibility comes with a price tag, and it's not pretty. And the thing is, Southwest was so flexible before. Rapid rewards, more like rapidly shrinking. Now you get fewer points per flight. Baggage rules are still the same, but you have to go through the fine print like you're reading a novel. So let's take a quick look. So here I'm back at my desk and I'm sharing my screen. And so you see here, it shows the old fare structure that they had before. This is as of May 28th. And this is what I showed you guys when I recorded that video in the summer. And you see here they had basic, want to get away plus, anytime and business select. At that time, they had lowered the amount of reward points that you could get for your flights. You see, it went from that to this. And so it just seems much more complicated. The other one seemed much more simpler. So now it's no longer want to get away and all that. It's basic and choice preferred and choice extra. So here you see now when as of January 2026, they're going to make an additional change, and this will be to the open seating. So this is kind of driving me nuts. It's slow drip, drip, drip. Just I wish they'd changed everything at one time and been done with it. But anyway, that's their choice. So now you have basic, and with basic, you'll be the last aboard, and you will get your seat assigned at check-in. With choice, you will do general boarding, and you will get your seat, your standard seat at booking. Choice preferred, you get a preferred seat. You will have early general boarding, and then for choice extra, you get early boarding and choose extra legroom seat, which I'm assuming is the one that is near the exit doors, the little emergency doors. So, or up front. So those are all the different things. Now you see here, you still have the 2 times the 0.6, rapid reward points 10 and then 14. With all these categories, you have to check their check back fees. And then here you only get 2 free check backs with choice extra. So those are the changes there. I also, one of the things was they used to not, your flight credits did not expire, and of course they are expiring. So 6 months, 12 months, and then you have to pay, of course, for the fare difference if you make a change. That's what does that look like with a typical fare? So with a typical fare, this is when I pulled up from Washington D.C. to Las Vegas. So you see it's $179 if you do the basic and you have basically no benefits and you earn very few points. Here with choice, you earn more points. It costs more, and you get to pick your seat at booking. And then you have choice preferred and then choice extra. So you see the difference in costs there. Okay, so if you look at points here, you change over to points. So it was 12,500 points. For 3,000 more points, you get the choice, and then there's choice preferred, and then choice extra. So the costs for the flights have went up. This is, of course, not with the special. Hey guys, if you're enjoying our content today, please consider subscribing, like, or share. We would really appreciate it. Thank you. Now, as far as baggage, here you see to get your first check bag, $35. Your second one's $45. So down here you see a bunch of gobbledygook, a lot of fine print, a lot of You see all the baggage information that you have to wade through. Like it's just like reading a novel. And then you have all the terms and conditions down there. So you have all that. So we just got back from a cruise in Florida, and we flew JetBlue there and Southwest back home. The difference was night and day. I used to swear by Southwest, but now that they're on Google Flights, JetBlue had the better deal with one of my other credit cards. So we jumped ship. This was my first time flying JetBlue, and JetBlue's plane was modern. It had comfy seats, screens, chargers, and customer service that actually smiled. I was impressed. So let me know if this is just I just happened to hit a great flight or not in the comments below if you've flown JetBlue before. But I was really impressed by the service and the nice plane and the features that they gave you. So on the flip side, Southwest, we did get off our cruise early. So we were able to, with Southwest, change our flights, same day standby flights. But my husband, who is just an authorized user on my Southwest credit card, Kevin had to pay for his bags. They didn't put in, and to add insult to injury, they didn't put his luggage on the plane for our connecting flight. And so he ended up getting his luggage a day late after having to pay for it too. So it turns out being an authorized user means you can earn the points. He gets his own set of points on the same account, but it comes with a side of baggage fees when you actually use the points to fly. This is buried way down in the fine print. So we're done as a family with the authorized user card. There are no perks, just headaches. Now, the Southwest flight compared to the JetBlue flight, this is just these two planes. The Southwest flight felt ancient. There were no chargers, there were no screens, and the service was, let's just say it was just okay. So here's the kicker. A lot of the planes, Southwest planes, are older compared to some of the other airlines. And it seems to me that that Southwest wants to run with the big airlines, run with the big dogs, but their planes and their perks are strictly budget. So yap, yap, not big dog at all. Look, I get it. Southwest was losing money and they're trying to keep up with the other airline crowds and cut costs. But honestly, all of these changes have turned them into just another airline. The loyalty, gone. The perks, eh. And I keep hearing from other Southwest airline customers or people I'm flying with, they're all saying the same thing. If they're not loyal to us, why should we be loyal to them? Personally, Southwest isn't my go-to anymore. I go to Google Flights now, and if there's another airline that beats them out, that's the one I'm taking. They have the Southwest, their prices are higher, their planes are older, and those rapid reward points, they just don't stretch like they used to. And the flexible change cancellation policy that we used to love, now you have to pay a lot extra for that privilege. Will I still fly Southwest? Well, my credit card just renewed a few weeks ago. Thanks, Auto Renew. So I'm stuck for a year. And unless they seriously step up their game during this next final year that I may be with them, I will be ditching my card, my Southwest card next fall. I feel like if I'm paying more, I want more perks. Simple as that. So stay tuned. So have you felt the sting of these changes? Or do you have a budget airline that you feel is a great value that I can try out? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more information and for travel vlogs. Until next time, take care everyone and safe travels.